Sourcing China wheat corn milling machinery. Boss, look here. We are a leading flour machinery manufacturer with many years of manufacturing experience and stable supply of complete sets of wheat milling machinery and corn milling machinery. With rich production experience, mature production process and strict industry standards, we have the strength to be your reliable partner. Our equipment can meet the needs of production of all sizes, helping your business to improve efficiency and reduce costs.